Ah, okay. Hello po sa inyong lahat. This is really surprising kasi I never expected this moment that I was really speaking to you guys. Ako po, simple doctor lang, pero I have more of a healer. Ang ginagawa ko sa mundo is to heal. Kasi I think, nakakatuwa muna, tutuloy, bago ko tuloy, kasi yung presence ng colleagues. Yung colleagues ko po, kadalasan from the past, are more of, alam na natin yan, yung synthetics. Okay? Pero natutuwa ako kasi marami nang pumapasok sa non-synthetics, natural. Okay. Ito pa po ang maganda. Along the way, I was listening and I found out a lot of doctors are also leaning more on the power of God. Yun. Tama. Ayan. So, ito po ang akin. Ano po, yung kanina, para dagdagan ko lang, para hindi tayo mag-alala. Healing is 3 layers. Tatlong level. Healing of the mind, healing of the body, and healing of the spirit. Tatlo. So, ibig sabihin, ang tao, pag gumamit ng may objective at may subjective. Gets? So, ibig sabihin, yung iba, pag may namorto, gagaling ako. Eh, di gumaling siya. Yung isa, iinom din ako. Hindi siya gumaling. Okay, parehas lang naman yung ginawa. Pero bakit magkaiba ng effect? Nagigets niyo? Kasi because of that thing. The objective and the subjective thing. Okay, I will be discussing the subjective one. Kasi na-discuss na ng mga doctors ang objective. Pero ang maganda ay ito. Lahat kami naniniwala sa power ni God. There's a patient of mine that was almost like case ni Chris Aquino. Bedridden, cannot walk. Everything's in pain. Ano po? And this is the catch. She is not as rich as Chris Aquino. Ang mahirap, pag wala kang pera, paano nang buhay? Paano naman nagkasakit ka? Nagets nyo? Ito pa po ang mahirap. Kahit may pera ka, pag nagkasakit ka, walang power yan. Tama po ba? But the real deal here is this. Gusto nyo bang mabuhay ng, number 1, malusog, masigla, very masunod, masagana. Tama po ba, no? So, hihirap po ako mag-join ng company. Kasi ang kadalasan when I join company, I start moving the company grows. They throw me under the bus. Why? Because pagdating na dun sa pera-pera, nung kami nagkaka-talo-talo. Ano po? Kasi hindi ako after doon. Ang nakakatuwa, most of the doctors here, I see myself in them. They are not after the money, they just want here to serve and help the people. Hihira lang po, makita ko yun sa kapwa ko. And ito po ang isa sa mga masasabi ko sa inyo. Narito ako kasi I saw something here. And also, from Ma'am Susan, her heart. I haven't seen a person as big as her heart. Palakpakan po natin. And when I say about objectively or subjectively, ito po yun. My dad, busangot. My dad suffered from stroke. Yan. At siya ay masungit. Busangot. Ayan. May busangot po ba dito? So I see, wala. Ano po? Ito po ang nakakatawa dyan eh. No? Ang hirap pagalingin ng mga busangot. Alam ng mga doktor yan. Ang hirap gumaling ng taong masungit. Totoo po, kaya ito yan eh. Sa hospitals, pagka isang pasyente nag-recover ng mabilis, yung doktor, problem. Ako yung doktor niya. Pero ito po yung totoo. I have experienced this first hand. Hindi siya lang na gumagaling yung patient because of the power of the physician. Maybe somehow, a little bit. But this is the truth. Ang napansin ko po yung pasyente na maraming dalaw heals faster than those who does not have. Ang galing, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, guys, this is the truth. Pagka may pasyente kayo na tinutulungan, ipakita niyo po yung pag-ibig niyo sa kanya. I will tell you, when it's your love choice to heal, you will definitely heal. But medical science right now is, let's say, problem-oriented. Fear. Kaya, that's right. Ang hirap po tulungan kasi dahil ang inclination ng medical science right now is to address the problem. So, universal rule, what you resist, persists. Where your energy goes, where your focus goes, energy flows. Tama po ba? So ito na, kung magpo-focus ka sa fear when addressing a patient, most likely you will not see. When you address the love that is driven for the patient to heal, you will definitely succeed. What more if you have a company who is driven not by fear, not by greed, but by love? This company is driven that otherwise I would not be here. Yeah. So, ito pa po ang pinakamaganda sa lahat ay ito. Paano kaya kung mag-uumpisa ka ng isang negosyo na ang driving force ay love? Palagay niyo ba, mabibigo kayo kung magtatagumpay? Sino mo sabi kong tatagumpay? Palakpak. Kaya kung kita ko na po saan talaga ito papunta. Ito pa po I was talking about my father na nasulit at the stroke. Ito nakakatawa Hindi po siya makatulog kasi mayroon din siyang lus-lus. In pain, nag-incarcerate, supposedly o-operahan yun pag nag-incarcerate yung lus-lus. Pero ito nakakatawa. Ginamit ko po yung Somaderm sa kanya. Isang tahiran ko pala, liwat ka ng kamay. My father slept peacefully without pain. Doon lang mo nagising siya, pasko na. Napahaba lang po yung tulog. Joke lang. In other words, to make it short, it's just 1 minute left for me. I'm just telling you that you are here not by accident. You are all here for a purpose. Thank you.